The differences between liquefied natural gas, LNG, and liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, are notable. One key distinction lies in the process of liquefaction. LNG has a boiling point of -161 degrees Celsius, requiring a cryogenic process and specialized equipment to liquefy, whereas LPG, with a boiling point of -42 degrees Celsius, can be easily liquefied at low pressure without the need for specialized processes. As a result, LPG is simpler to liquefy than LNG. Additionally, LNG must be regasified before use, which involves turning the gas from its liquid form to its normal form using vaporizers, whereas LPG can be used directly from its stored vessel, making it easier to use. In terms of transportation costs, although LNG is cheaper, it requires specialized materials for storage and transportation to maintain its liquid form, involving costly cryogenic environments and insulation to prevent heat penetration. In contrast, LPG, with its higher boiling temperature, does not require special materials for transportation and can be stored in steel tanks, making it cheaper to transport. Despite these differences, both LPG and LNG share similarities, existing as gases at room temperatures due to their boiling points. However, considering the ease of liquefaction, use, and transportation, LPG appears to have more benefits than LNG, making it a preferable choice.